My name's Andrew Cavarella and I'm a climate change scientist at the Met Office Hadley Centre. We know that there are long-term benefits from cutting our greenhouse gas emissions. Our research identifies that there are substantial benefits in the near term too. In 2015, the member states of the United Nations resolved in Paris that we need to keep global average temperature rises well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial times in order to avoid the most dangerous effects of climate change. Without action, modelling suggests that we're on course for maybe 4 to 5 degrees Celsius by the end of this century, so we know we can't avoid breaching 2 degrees without dramatically cutting our emissions. Our research shows that after significant efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions that would curb the worst effects of climate change by the end of the century, there is also a shorter-term gain. In many regions of the world, it takes less than 20 years for the risk of extremely hot seasons to be reduced by half from what that risk would have been without emissions reductions. We know that the global climate has already warmed by around 1 degree Celsius. The problem is that at the regional level, the changes can be larger. By the time we reach a couple of degrees of global warming, record-breaking hot summers such as we saw across Europe in 2003 could begin to become the norm. Societies could struggle to cope, and people could be seriously affected by pressures on water availability, agricultural productivity, extreme temperatures, and drought. This shows that emissions reductions needed to meet long-term goals of restricting warming actually deliver substantial benefits in the near term too.